Hey, good morning. It's Jessica with Jessica's Jeweled Art. And I just wanted to come to you real quick and share with you why I think it's important if you're going to do any type of diamond art painting um, more than once, that you really need to consider doing some upgrades. And here's the reason why. Every kit that you get, it's going to give you everything the basic things that you really need. Now, it's going to give you this basic toolkit, which you can use. Like I said, you can use, but you know, there's a lot of basic things in life that you can do, but it's not preferable. Now, if you're going to be doing diamond painting as a hobby, um, as a relaxation, therapeutic tool, as a business, whatever, um, you're going to want to do something that's going to really get the job done and also is going to be more comfortable for you. Now, these little plastic pens that you're having to jab onto the glue square, um, to me, is not that comfortable. I need something that's going to have the little squishy to make it a little bit larger. Now, I personally like the refillable diamond art pen where I can put the glue cube in here. These dry out so quickly. When you put them in here, air doesn't get to them. They last forever. Um, and even if you don't use a refillable pen, if you use something that's larger, like this one that I use for my multi-placing, it's it has more of a good hand feel where you don't even need the squishy, but because of the way that it's shaped, it feels better in your hand, and you're going to be doing this for hours at a time like I do. You're going to need something that's going to be more comfortable. And if you have any arthritis or any cramp hand issues, you're definitely going to want to upgrade to something that's going to be more comfortable. Now, now some basic toolkits will come with a plastic attachment at the end. This one doesn't happen to have it. But even the plastic attachments, they're not that great. Um, so what you're going to want to do is upgrade to some type of stainless steel or metal attachment. This refillable pen comes with the attachment so I can straighten out my lines. Now, this multi-placer that I use, and I've done a video that shows how to fill the multi-placer with putty, um, also came with these other attachments. They just either side unscrew, so you have the roller side, and then you have, this is a three multi-placer. It comes with the straightener like this other pen, and then it has the six and a nine multi-placer, as well as the curved single placer and a straight placer. Um, and I think this is even the tool that you can use to clean out the crevice. So that works really nice. And because you have a metal attachment, it gives sharper lines, it's easier to clean out, and it's going to last so much longer. Those are some of the reasons that I think you should really consider upgrading from your uh, basic toolkit and plastic attachments to something that's going to last that's going to last longer and be of a more of a permanent fix with a stainless steel or metal attachment. Thank you for your time. Um, Join me the next time for another tip. This has been Jessica's Jeweled Art and a special moment. See you next time. Bye bye.